Friday, October 25th, 2024. I'm back at the former Rite Aid, Walgreens, whatever building. Looking at the rapidly progressing construction going on at the future home of the Champlain Fire Department. This is a view from the north, a little bit on the easterly side. They're putting up the facade in the front over there, and as you can see, the rafters are up, the walls are up, and just making great strides here. Temperature about 50 degrees right now, so it's weather that'll keep you working. Looks like they are strapped, but if they fall between the rafters, it's going to be painful anyway, so I wouldn't rely too much on those straps, but save you from falling all the way down, but it'll be a painful drop if those straps, if they should slip up there. It's dangerous work I wouldn't want to be doing, even though they're not the top of a skyscraper. They are still up in the air. As we mention each time that we're here, this is on Route 9 near the 9/11 intersection. There's a view from the other side of the building. We'll take a few steps down and see what other progress is being made. I erroneously thought that was a facade, but that's just the part of the lift that brought him up there with the lumber and so on, so that's not part of the building that stands up there. Here's what the interior is going to look like. Room for a truck or two, or three. Hopefully it'll serve their needs for many years into the future. New fire station, Champlain District. USDA Rural Development. Put that sign up. So we decided to be brief, and that'll wrap up this look at the ongoing construction here on October 25th, 2024.